Hello again to my favorite beauty enthusiasts. This is Heather with Eye of the Beholder, and today I'm bringing you the 613 by RUNATURE, experts in natural human hair, in the classic color 613, the bleach blonde. So let's crack these open and see what we have inside. I also purchased their 50-gram set of clip-ins, and I will be combining them as a combination installation in my own hair. And look at that thickness and the blunt ends that they always have. Oh. Okay, so it's 20 pieces all together. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off the paper so you can have a better look. And yeah, there's 20 individual. This is what 40 grams looks like. This is what these beautiful blunt edges will look like. And stay tuned because I will be bringing you their 18-inch 3-piece set clip-ins in the same color. And then it will be a 3-parter. I will be installing them in a combination to create a blunt look, okay? Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving despite the lockdowns and are finding your happy place. So stay tuned, and I'll be back with more exciting beauty finds for you.